nasty.
What?
Get out of my clothes. Hi.
Oh!
Brianna, let's get over. You're gonna kill Kiana. So.
Oh my gosh, she's about to fall.
Y'all. Look at Brianna.
This is my sister.
Our sister.
Uh-uh.
She looks like me more.
We are perfect together because this is my sister.
We're all sisters.
We're pushing Brianna, okay?
Why do you get to be next to
Brianna
me?
loves to meddle. This is my sister. See her?
Our sister.
Her name is Brianna. Okay, can't tell you the whole name. Y'all know.
Brianna Nicole Hutton.
Oh my Jesus. Okay, yeah, look up that name. Look it up.
She's not even gonna be on the
She's
computer.
cute. Look at this.
She's not even gonna
Precious
break her
face.
head.
Shh.
Kiana, break her neck.
Alright. She
That's
loves
my
my like
baby.
this.
It's my baby.
And,
I just had her.
And she loves her eyes closed. and she's precious and she's fat. Loves to
Don't
push
push
people.
me.
Loves to push people. Say, we spit on you too? Yeah. Say I cuss. Say I be saying all them bad words. You know.
Kiana's
You know.
She said, stop touching
She
me.
loves kisses.
She said, stop touching me.
She hates to be smushed. Like right now. Look, she's about to beat us all up. She's about to beat us all up.
She
She
likes
said she
it.
finna leave. She said she finna be breezy. Because she know where to go. She said she knows how to walk. She's 1 year old. That's
Nobody
all I'm
cares.
saying.
I'm just kidding.
This right here is my
My
cousin.
swag.
And she likes to give kisses.
She's
And,
gonna catch a cold.
and she likes to give hugs. But this time she's
No,
supposed to give
don't
me
give
a
her a
hug.
hug, Brianna. And look, she's like, get off. See, look, see your face. Ah!
And to see if you're alright. Because you're coughing up something. I see it too. You see it? I see it. I see it. Ooh, that was nasty.
It was on your bed.
See, you're nasty. She wants to give you a kiss.
I think in this case I'm going to make an exception.
Duh, she's my daughter.
Lynn,
I'm just kidding.
Don't say that. You're not going to put this on the computer, right?
Well, you got your heart. Yep.
Well, Mom will kill you. Because she hates Brianna on computers and stuff.
I'm gonna make a video of it and give it to her.
But no one cares what Mother thinks.
I'm definitely putting that on the internet now.
I'm just kidding. We love you.
No.
Brianna likes to metal pencils and stab people. Being a metal. Give me this. Precious thing. Don't be a metal. I'm just kidding. Ah! Did you see all the boogers that came down running onto her sweater?
She's trying to touch her pizza.
Ew.
Hit me there.
Everybody gets a little something. This is my room. Do you see behind me? I got all these pictures
Nobody
of my
cares.
room. Shut up. Everybody cares. You're so rude. So nasty. Brianna likes eating things that she shouldn't be eating. Which is that cornmeal corn.
Don't wipe it on me.
And
Get
Brianna,
look
look
at her
at her. She's
face.
real pretty.
Pretty
Racer,
ugly. Let's do it.
racer. So yeah. It's who is that? Who is that?
Okay, easy. Okay, big pun.
Oh my goodness.
Don't touch anything.
What is she doing?
That. Oh, you should hear the whole video we made.
No.
Don't stab yourself, Brianna. Cause I guess she thought it was another baby,
Look,
so she's
Brianna.
going.
Look.
Who's that, Brianna?
Look.
See? That's what she's doing the whole time we got in here.
Brianna.
My daughter was raped. The police didn't do anything.
She likes
Y'all
posing.
trying to get her to sing? Y'all get her to sing?
Sometimes.
Do re mi.
Your pictures look funny. I always wanted to say, what is that in the background? But it's all
She said she's Jesus and she's raising all the powers because we're all her minions.
Bye.